In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google account to HoYoverse Honkai Star Rail. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the platform where you play Honkai Star Rail, you will be able to link your Google account. After you link your account, it is going to be available to be used on other platforms. So if you play on mobile, after you link it to a Google account, you can use that same Google email on a PC, your progress will be synchronized, you can do the same on PlayStation, and so on. So first, start the game on any platform. Then bring up your phone and go over to the settings. So pause the game at any point, go into the settings, and then using the menu at the left, go to the account settings. So this one here. And you will find the user center. This is where you will be able to manage all of the connections established in your account. If you haven't linked an email address, then the option is going to be available here. It is going to be labeled link account. So you will have to link an email address and also set up a username. So the very first thing that you will do is input your email address here. So just choose link, input your email address. So once you have the entire email address typed out here, the send button is going to become available. So you first type out the email, then you click on send. This will send a verification code to the email address. You will input the verification code here, and then make sure that everything looks okay. After you confirm that you are the owner of that email address, it is going to be linked like so. So this green check mark will appear. You will also get the option to set up your username, and you will see that your HoYoverse account is now set up. So the HoYoverse account is going to be associated with this email address from Google that you can use on other platforms. So if you ever start playing on a PlayStation, for example, you can transfer over your progress by using this email address. If you want to play on a mobile device because you primarily play on PC or vice versa, you just use the email, and this account will be used on all of those platforms with the progress preserved across all of them. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.